Tidal Surge at SeaWorld San Antonio is the best flat ride ever built. It's a massive, intense, airtime packed ride that also happens to have fantastic visuals. The ride all starts with the way that it's presented. This ride is massive. It's hard to get a sense of scale for how big this thing is through video. It stands 105 feet tall, but you swing up to 135 feet, making it tied for the largest SNS Scream and Swing in the world. It's an absolute monster of a flat ride. Tidal Surge doesn't just look good though, it also rides good. The ride cycle starts out pretty slow with a few smaller low to the ground swings, but once it starts going, it starts going. Tidal Surge features a perfect combination of airtime and positive forces. The apex of each swing gives crazy strong sustained airtime, and the valleys in between provide really good speed and decent positives. An underrated element of this type of ride is the feeling of going backwards. A lot of rides can go backwards, but none can really do it like the Scream and Swing does it. It's something that I can't really describe, but how it accelerates you backwards is a feeling that's unique to this type of ride. Something else that's unique to this type of ride is the visuals, which is something that Tidal Surge excels at. As you swing, you watch the ground slowly get further and further away from you until you're staring straight down 135 feet. That visual alone isn't unique to Tidal Surge. All installations of the Scream and Swing do it, but Tidal Surge takes it up a notch. See, Tidal Surge swings out over the water, and when you're staring down at the water, it's insane. It's a visual moment unlike any other ride out there. And those visuals wombo-comboed with the insane airtime that this ride model offers creates one of the most euphoric ride experiences out there. The Scream and Swing is a ride model that I have loved since I first rode it. It's a flat ride that's so good that it can easily be better than the majority of the coasters at a park. I have never ridden a bad Scream and Swing, and Tidal Surge is no exception. It's an absolute masterpiece of a ride, and I have no complaints with it whatsoever. It's not the best ride in the park though. To see what the best moments on all of the coasters at SeaWorld San Antonio are, that video is right there.